Hi everyone, I'm Sahana from Intrazo. Today we are at Srinidhi Hill Park to showcase our recent 3 BHK villa project which belongs to Mr. Arvind and Rajalakshmi. As a core material, we have used green panel ply which comes with 25 years of warranty on boiling waterproof and 7 years of warranty on moisture resistant. We chose a contemporary theme to design this entire project. We have used laminates, acrylics, glass, Glaks, and also to add a little bit of warm touch, we have used veneer and wooden laminates. And to know a detailed view of each space, let's take a tour. In the living area, we have designed a TV unit with natural stone marble paneling. To the back of it, we have provided fluted panel and we have added a cove light in between, and we have also given champagne tea profile. Below, we have added base unit with set of drawers and also aluminium frame with tinted glass flap down mechanism. To the other side, we have given open box storage with the profile lighting, and we designed a mini toilet with bronze mirror finish, and inside we have provided inner shelf. To the other wall of the living area, we have used wall trims, painting and some accessories. Along with that, we have provided wall mounted lights. As clients wanted more storage, here we have designed tall unit with set of drawers and the shutter, and we have also provided CNC design. We created a corner open box with the spot lighting, and we have also provided flap down mechanism with aluminium frame and tinted glass. It was completely an open space, so in order to create a spatial differentiation, so we have added a foyer storage with a kind of console unit. We have provided set of drawers and the MDF with Duco shutters, and below we have provided PVD legs. In the dining area, we have designed a crockery with storage. Here we have provided tall unit with aluminium frame and clear glass shutter. Inside we have provided wooden laminates and the profile lighting and the glass inner shelves to add more depth. And for the base unit, we have provided storage with openable shutters, and we have provided Gola profile. For the counter, we have used quartz slab, and we have provided countertop wash basin and the mirror. Above we have given normal hydraulic lift up. There was a niche area, so in order to highlight that, we have created open box storage with the spot lighting and shelves. Clients wanted a storage below the staircase, so here we have created push to open shutters with laminate finish. And we have also provided aluminium frame with tinted glass shutter. For the Puja unit, we have provided veneer doors with CNC design, and we have added brass handles. And inside we have created a Gopuram design completely with veneer finish, and below we have provided laminate drawers with brushed gold edge profile handles. For the wall decor, we have used intricate CNC design with the cove lighting, and for the ceiling also we have provided CNC with the lighting, and also we have added COB lights. We have designed island fall ceiling. The drop is 350 mm in order to place the cassette AC and also to hide the beams. And we have provided cove lighting, COB lights and the profile lighting. And here as a spatial differentiation, we have provided veneer ceiling with the grooving. We designed a beautiful parallel kitchen with blue and white combination, and here we have given Bianco Carrara Kalinga Quartz slab for the countertop and the Wall Dado. For the base unit, we have used Euro Componenti Glaks from Italy, and it is consisting of 5 Blum tandem drawers with edge profile handles. One is dedicated for the cutlery, below is for cup and saucer, and below we have created for the storage. We have given one bottle pull out. We provided a 4-burner hob which is from Calf and chimney is from Bosch. Next to the chimney we have provided Blum Aventus HKS lift up with aluminium frame and tinted glass, and inside we have provided spot lighting, and above that we have created push to open shutters extended till the ceiling. Inside we have provided inner shelves. We planned a provision for the refrigerator. Adjacently we have provided tinted glass with aluminium frame shutter, and inside we created a pantry unit with tandem box drawers. Each will have weight carrying capacity of up to 30 kgs. All put together the pantry unit will have 150 kgs of capacity, and above that we have provided inner shelf. Here we have designed a warmer drawer, and below that we have provided a microwave. Next to that we have given an openable shutter with edge profile handle. Inside we have provided inner shelf, and we have also given a stainless steel drawer for the vegetables. We have designed a hidden cabinet for the standalone appliances with Blum Aventus HK mechanism, and inside we have provided electrical points also. Above that we have provided Aventus HKS lift-ups. For the entire wall units and the loft unit, we have used Senosan acrylic finish from Austria. This is Futura Quartz sink which comes with a multi-purpose elements, and above the sink we have provided RO unit provision. We planned a separate store area, hence we have separated with Aristo Sliding partition door, and inside we have created base unit storage with shutters, and above we have planned wall unit and open box storage, and also the loft. Here we have designed the TV unit with the base unit storage with laminate finish, and we have also added aluminium frame with tinted glass flap down mechanism, and for more storage we have designed aluminium frame with tinted glass, and inside we have provided inner shelf and the profile lighting, and above we have provided lift up system. To the other side we have created open box storage with the cube profile, and we have added in between push to open shutters. We designed a beautiful and spacious master bedroom with tint tone and shades of beige, and here we have designed a king size cot which is made of solid wood. On either side we have created a side tables with laminate finish. For the wall decor we have created ready-made wall panels and the mirror, and on either side we have added hanging lights. We designed a floor to ceiling hinged wardrobe with techno matte finish without any joints. It is up to 11 feet, and inside we have provided inner shelves, drawers and the profile lighting. For the opening mechanism we have provided halfly sleek handles. To bring the contrast, here we have provided tinted glass with aluminium frame shutters. Inside we have provided internal loft, hanger space, set of drawers and inner shelf, and we have also added sensor profile lighting. We designed a window seating area with a base unit storage with set of drawers, and here we have provided cushioning with the linear tufting, and we extended the cushioning till the ceiling. In the walk-in area, we have designed laminate hinged wardrobe with champagne T profile and the handles, and for one of the shutters we have provided fluted paneling. For the dresser we have added 3 side mirror, and below we have added storage with drawer and the shutters. We did an island POP fall ceiling with the profile lighting, COB lights and the cove lights, and we have provided a provision for double track curtains, and these curtains has motorized mechanism. We designed a stunning daughter's bedroom with colorful elements. Here we have created a queen size cot with a storage, and we have provided fabric finish to all the sides. We have provided headboard with linear tufting. To the other side, we designed a laminate wardrobe with hinged mechanism. We provided a sleek handles. To the corner, we have created an open box storage. Below, we have added shutters. This is acting as a side table as well. Above the wardrobe, we have created a loft. We provided a study with the base unit storage and the cube profile. For the wall unit, we have created a lift up with the cube profile, and above we have created a ledge. We designed a door for the walk-in area which is resembling like a wardrobe, and inside you can see we have created a hinged wardrobe with laminate finish. To the other side, we have provided mirror with ledges for the storage. In order to incorporate the colorful theme, here we have created a motifs with the painting itself, and for the ceiling we have created POP fall ceiling with the cove lighting, and we have also added profile lighting and COB lights. In the guest bedroom, we have provided queen size cot, and we have provided tufted headboard with the fabric, and we have provided dressing unit with the base unit with the drawer, and we have provided a mirror above. And here we have designed sliding wardrobe with glossy laminate finish, and we have also added bronze mirror and the champagne tea profile. And inside we have provided inner shelves, and above we have created an extended loft. One side we created an open box storage with profile lighting, and we have also added push to open shutters. To the other side, we have created a window seating with the storage below. We designed a study unit with set of drawers, and here we have provided aluminium frame with tinted glass shutter, and inside we have provided inner shelf for the book storage. We cleverly designed the sleek corner storage. Here we have provided push to open shutters, and we have added cube profile. We designed a flat fall ceiling with COB lights and the profile light. It was a special requirement from the customer to go for a home theatre design. So here we have planned from the flooring to ceiling fixture everything. So we have planned for a ready-made wall panels and the acoustics and seating, and as well as the lighting. You can take a look. We have a customer with us, Mr. and Mrs. Arvind. So we want to know from their end, their experience and their journey with Interazo. So starting from you.
Let me talk with Interazo. Interazo, I had a very beautiful journey. What we expected, it really crossed beyond the expectations of the output what we have got.
More than seeing the videos, when we visited the studio, my husband really liked the quality of the wood or the output, what the Interazo is giving it. Interazo has given a promise like they will be doing for entire house with 18 mm. So we are very happy with that. And one more thing I want to stress is like even if the work is finished also, if something that if we call, they will come, they will do minute perfection. Each and everything, even if we are okay also, they'll take, no ma'am, this is not okay proper. So that way we are very happy.
The designs are super premium. We can't able to say like, we compromise, Interazo won't compromise. Point to point marking and point to point output they try to offer us. If I want to rate out of 10, it will go beyond to 10. That is what I can able to say. Himanshu, he won't treat the people as a vendors. He will treat like a family and friends. We didn't expect anywhere, and this is the best with Interazo. And Himanshu, once again, congrats Himanshu for taking and getting the things done. Is really a great job from your end.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, Sahana.